Good morning. Welcome and or welcome back to my mother vlogging YouTube channel. If you're new, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you'll be notified every time I raise hell. And if you're not new, what's up, baby? I see you watching and thank you for watching. My name's Fat Ash and my booty's flat, but that's irrelevant because I'm about to throw it back.
Monogamy or whatever you call it, I'm starting to think ain't for everybody. Most of us is rushing into it anyway, you know what I'm saying? You ain't rushing for love and I ain't up here to judge, so let's neglect the what ifs and make it do what it does. Let's get it.
Is it baby? I never made love, no I never did. But I sure know how to fuck, I'll be a bad girl, I'll prove it to you. I can't promise that I'll be good to you, cause I have some issues I won't miss, no, not happening. But at least I can admit that I'll be bad, no, to you. Yeah, I'll be good in bed, but I'll be bad to you. I never made love, no, I never did. But I sure know how to.
Let's get it. Bad girls ain't no good, and the good girls ain't no fun. And the hood girls want a smart nigga. College girls all want a thug, so it seems that we fiend what we don't need. Got a thing for a queen who don't wanna leave. I ain't about to judge you, don't judge me. You ain't gotta really sing about your rap sheet, cause I heard you. In the literal sense, I mean that. Rough sex, saying I love ya, but the kiss him is saying you mean that. I know, I just be calling a mean ass. Oh, the irony, got the bomb in D, but the problem is probably a deep pass. Still I'm feeling this something I need bad. Thinking if I get it, I need this. I don't need emotion to open your deep sea. I can see the ocean by going between leg, back, no, bed, flow, dope, go, forward, couch, now, slow motion. Around, put it down, Lord knows she was going for the moon. Hold up.
Baby, I never made love, no, I never did. But I sure know how to fuck, I'll be a bad girl, I'll prove it to you. I can't promise that I'll be good to you, cause I have some issues I won't miss, no, not happening. But at least I can admit that I'll be bad, no, to you. Yeah, I'll be good in bed, but I'll be bad to you.
She hurt feelings, she break hearts, she stay quiet, she play smart, she take pride. I'm going out, I'm getting hollered at, and saying nah. She's no saint, but she don't pose. She don't wear makeup by the boatload. Riding through Lakeshore with the nose up. She don't really date much, but the slow's up. She got haters, but we all do. Heard you when the time cold, shawty fought through. Baby, look at their approach, how they caught you. All of mind games, never mind, cause they all lows. In the physical sense, I mean that. I ain't trying to kiss up, suck up, feed gas. I ain't like them, you sucking your C-fat. Nope. Play big, trust me, I humble your mean ass. Look, shawty is actually in prevent, cause the one in front of it's working with deep breath. Yup, bed, floor, couch, more, shower, Lord, perm, done. Love, nah, called in the morning, cell number wasn't on, goddamn.
Is it baby? I never made love, no, I never did. But I sure know how to fuck, I'll be a bad girl, I'll prove it to you. I can't promise that I'll be good to you, cause I have some issues I won't miss, no, not happening. But at least I can admit that I'll be bad, no, to you. Yeah, I'll be good in bed, but I'll be bad to you.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. You like my wig? I made it myself. I made it myself. It's a head. It's not even a headband wig. You want to see what it is?
Alright, but don't judge me because it's a lace front, but I didn't lay, melt, nor slay the lace. I just plapped it on my head for video purposes. So, don't judge me. This the lace. I ain't even cut it yet. I just folded it over. Ooh. Y'all all in my business. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't do this. Stop. Anyway, yep. First time just pinning it. No, it's not my first time just pinning. I really only took pictures in it. I ain't went nowhere in it. Yeah, this is my video purposes wig. Take my tag on this side, get my good side. Bye! Thank you for watching.